Hello there, this is Anthony Johnson, and this is episode 3 of SQL Interview Prep. What is a computed column? Well, a computed column is a virtual column that is not physically stored in the table, but is computed from an expression that uses other columns in the same table. So let me give you a visual representation of what I mean. Although this is a temp table, this works the same way with base tables. We'll just give it table. Alrighty. So let's do this. We'll say first name, varchar 20, last name, varchar 20 as well. Now for our first computed column, we're going to say full name. And then we have to use our keyword as, and then we're going to actually use our first two columns in this table. But we're going to use concat. We're going to say concat first name. We use the space keyword. I'm going to say last name. Okay, so that's it for that column. Then we're going to do birth date. Birthday, not birth date. Birthday. Yeah, I think birth date is more appropriate. So we'll say birth date. We're going to give it a data type of date. Then we're going to do age. So age is also another computed column. We're going to say as date diff. You want to know the difference in years, so we'll use the year keyword. Then we're going to use our birth date column. Then we're going to use our get date function. Okay, so now let's insert into this table and see what we get. Just pop a random name in there. And then we need to add a birth date. Let's see what we get here. And as you can see, we have our first name column, our last name column, our full name column with the first name and last name concatenated. And then we have our birth date column. We provided a birth date. And then our age column, which is computed, gave us the accurate age of 22 years old. I hope this was helpful. Just to backtrack a little bit, a computed column is a virtual column that is not physically stored in a table, but it is computed from an expression that uses other columns in the same table. So we use first name and last name for our full name column, and we just solely used birth date for our age column. Have a blessed day, and bye-bye.